Imagine a place so secret that for decades, the government pretended it didn't even exist. A place in the middle of the desert, guarded by fences, cameras, and men in white trucks who'll stop you the second you get too close. Some say it hides alien spaceships. Others believe it's where we built the deadliest weapons on Earth. Today, we're diving deep into the world's most mysterious military base, Area 51. What is Area 51? Area 51 is a highly classified U.S. Air Force facility tucked away in the Nevada desert. It's about 83 miles northwest of Las Vegas. Officially, it's part of the Nevada Test and Training Range, where the military tests weapons and runs training exercises. For decades, the U.S. government didn't even acknowledge it existed. People could see the fences, warning signs, and strange lights in the sky. But officials would simply say, "There is no Area 51." That secrecy gave birth to endless rumors, UFOs, alien autopsies, secret technologies. And when you look at the base from above, a runway in the desert, surrounded by mountains, it looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. The origins of Area 51. Area 51's story begins in the 1950s, during the Cold War. The US needed a remote spot to test the brand new U-2 spy plane. The CIA and Air Force scouted locations and found the perfect one, Groom Lake, a dried-up lake bed in the middle of nowhere. It was flat, isolated, and surrounded by mountains. Perfect for secret test flights. In 1955, the base was built almost overnight. Workers lived in harsh conditions, cut off from the world. But the work they were doing was revolutionary. The U-2 could fly higher and farther than any other plane. It gave the US a huge advantage in spying on the Soviet Union. But here's the twist. The U-2 flew so high that commercial pilots and civilians started spotting mysterious silver objects. To the average eye, it looked like a UFO. And just like that, the UFO legend of Area 51 began. The UFO connection. Now let's talk about the fun part, the aliens. In 1947, years before Area 51 existed, a mysterious crash occurred near Roswell, New Mexico. The military first claimed it was a flying disc. Then quickly changed their story, saying it was just a weather balloon. That sudden change fueled decades of suspicion. When Area 51 became well known, conspiracy theorists connected the dots. What if the wreckage from Roswell was taken there? What if the government had alien bodies and spacecraft hidden underground? In 1989, Bob Lazar shook the world. He claimed he had worked at a site near Area 51 called S4. According to Lazar, he was hired to reverse engineer alien spacecraft. He described flying saucers with gravity-based propulsion systems. Skeptics point out inconsistencies in his story. But Lazar's claims put Area 51 at the center of pop culture. Strange lights in the desert. Talk to locals near the base, and they'll tell you about strange lights in the sky. Objects that zigzag, hover, and move faster than any known aircraft. For decades, people camped out near the perimeter with binoculars, convinced they were seeing alien ships. But here's a more grounded explanation. Many of those sightings were actually experimental aircraft. The SR-71 Blackbird, the F-117 Nighthawk stealth fighter, and other top-secret planes were tested at Area 51 long before the public even knew they existed. Imagine seeing a triangular stealth jet in the 1970s, something decades ahead of its time. Of course, people thought it was alien. Secrecy turned real technology into legend. Government secrecy. For decades, the government flat out denied Area 51 existed. If you asked officials, they dodged the question. Even pilots weren't supposed to say the name. That finally changed in 2013. The CIA declassified documents admitting the truth. Yes, Area 51 is real. Yes, it was the testing ground for spy planes like the U-2 and SR-71. But they stopped short of mentioning aliens. For many, that partial admission only deepened the mystery. If they could hide the existence of an entire base for 60 years, what else are they hiding? Storm Area 51. Fast forward to 2019. A Facebook joke went viral. Storm Area 51, they can't stop all of us. Over 2 million people RSVP'd. The idea was to raid the base and uncover alien secrets. Of course, the raid didn't happen, because storming a military base isn't exactly safe. But thousands of people still showed up in Nevada. Alien festivals, music, and memes took over the desert. It showed just how much Area 51 had captured the imagination of the world. Not just a base anymore, but a cultural icon. What happens there today? So what's happening inside Area 51 right now? That's the million-dollar question. Most experts agree it's still used to develop and test advanced aircraft and drones. With modern tech, hypersonic jets, stealth drones, AI-driven systems, Area 51 is the perfect secret playground. But because it's still classified, we'll probably never know the full truth. Maybe they're building next-gen spaceplanes. Maybe they're experimenting with weapons of the future. And maybe, just maybe, there's a hangar door hiding something not of this Earth. The human side of Area 51. It's easy to get caught up in aliens and sci-fi. But let's not forget the people. Area 51 has always been staffed by brilliant engineers, pilots, and scientists. Ordinary people doing extraordinary work in complete secrecy. Former workers described flying to work on unmarked planes, working long hours, and never being able to tell their families what they were building. One engineer even joked his wife thought he was having an affair. But the truth? He was designing technology that would change modern warfare. So while alien legends grab headlines, the human stories are just as fascinating. Why Area 51 fascinates us? Why do we care so much about Area 51? It's the perfect storm of secrecy, mystery, and possibility. The desert setting feels like something out of science fiction. The government's denials only make the rumors juicier. And deep down, we're all curious about the unknown. Whether it's aliens, secret aircraft, or just the thrill of mystery, Area 51 taps into our sense of wonder. It reminds us that the world still has secrets. And maybe, just maybe, the truth is stranger than fiction. Conclusion. So, what is Area 51? Officially, it's a test site for military aircraft. Unofficially, it's the world's most famous mystery. For some, it's proof the government is hiding alien secrets. For others, it's a symbol of human innovation. We may never know what's behind those fences. But one thing is certain. Area 51 will always capture our imagination. Maybe the real power of the place isn't what's inside. Maybe it's the questions it makes us ask. Because as long as there are secrets in the desert, people will keep looking to the skies, wondering what's out there. Call to action. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Area 51, hit that like button and subscribe for more mysteries. And tell me in the comments, do you think Area 51 is hiding alien technology, or is it just military hardware? I'd love to hear your theories.